Anda wethu Anda Aruna Mata. Thank you very much, comrades. I'll be very brief. Okwami ukuzonamukela. Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi nifike la sizokhuluma ngeqhawe lethu esilihlonipha kakhulu iAfrika yonkana. uPresident Robert Mugabe de Gushan. Sila namhlanje for the first time siyaqala ukuthi eNewcastle eMalahleni region sibe neZANU PF. We're humbled by that. For the first time in history. So I would like ukuthi ngibingelele ubaba Nxamalala mholi wethu lo. Into enhle ngobaba Nxamalala siyibambe ama comrades. Into enhle ngobaba Nxamalala isibonela sifundise sona ukuthi awu participate kuma structures organization ngoba usukukhethiwe. After phumile kuba upresident last week besimenywe kwi special NEC besinayo ubaba Nxamalala ehleli lapha emuva discipline deyibambile ema comrade bengaphumi ngisho emhlanganweni. Siyabingelela Nxamalala, siyajabula kuba nawe. Ndiema is one of our finest now ku ANC, deputy chair of the province, bingelela leadership yonke ye region phakathi kwethu umphathi ohlelo unobhala wethu very clear nobhala. We are blessed to have leadership ene caliber efana nale kule region yethu. We are very happy and we will forge forward. Briefly, Nxamalala and DM want to report to you that we are very much committed in making sure that we build a strong and campaigning organization in this region. If I can report to you as the leadership that today as we sit here, over 90% of our branches are in good standing. Even those who are not in good standing is because the term of office has expired. So we're doing everything possible to make sure that we sustain a strong organization. Let me also greet my comrades from ZANU PF. These are our fellow comrades, fellow brothers, Comrade Patrick, and all the comrades that you came with. We are happy, comrades, to have you here. We are very humbled by your presence. In fact, we want to make sure that when you come to South Africa anytime, make sure that this is your home, Newcastle. Please come here. Sibingelele nonke maqabane ngokuhlukahlukana kweni leadership yonke region alliance. Mine will be brief. I want to say, comrades, when we have lectures like this where we commemorate the life of Comrade President Robert Mugabe, all of us comrades should understand that we are standing on the shoulders of giants. He was not just a leader, but he was a giant. One thing I like about President Mugabe is that until his last day, he never betrayed the revolution. President Mugabe, up until his last day, he made sure that he fight for the total liberation of African people. President Mugabe Nxamalala understood one thing, that political freedom without economic freedom is nothing. The first step in any revolution is to attain political power. Once you have political power, you must then get economic power. Comrades, if we are not to appreciate that fact about President Mugabe, we'll be living somewhere in the dreamland. As I conclude my welcoming remarks, Funuguti, as I was saying, Comrade Ndiema, about Ncamalala eqhubeka ukuparticipate kuma programs organization. Baningi abantu believe ukuthi they have a bad right to lead in any struggle. President Mugabe never had that. Ncamalala, you never had that. Ngoba akekho umuntu one bad right yokuleader i-organization. Abanye they believe ukuthi once they are not in leadership, therefore there is no organization. But in you, Ncamalala, we've seen a good example. Continued to campaign for the ANC, to make sure that you work for the unity of the organization. One thing we appreciate about you, same with our giant leader, our godfather, Uncle Bob, is that being in leadership is not an entitlement. You lead at the mercy of the membership of the organization. That is why today is Chabule Kangaka. Yabona Ncamalala kuba ngithiwa bengikwazi ukujiva letho kwakuthiwa kudala itwalatha masibona uzo ufikela zokhuluma kukhona undiyema umuntu engomkhonze kakhulu undiyema yazi imkhonze kanjani uyabona khona wena, and we are here to talk about the contribution of our godfather, our giant, President Gabriel Robert Mugabe. There's never been such a moment, and we are humbled by the gesture from the provincial leadership. They decided that this lecture will come here in Malahleni. And we comrade, let us applaud the leadership of province. If you can't read signs, it says something. But if you can't read what it says, you will be left alone. And I will invite you to wake up from the slumberland. Face the reality. We are marching on. We are marching on to make sure that we build a strong campaigning African National Congress, even here at Malahleni. As I conclude, Nopala, I want to say there is no better motivation in Africa for any one of us than how President Mugabe conducted himself. He was never selfish. He decided even when it was difficult, because Britain reneged on their agreement, on their commitment. But President Mugabe delayed in terms of seizing the land until we were liberated in South Africa. He was never selfish. The struggle was never about him, but the total liberation of Africa. But came a time where it was never gonna be delayed anymore to liberate African people economically. Forward with economic freedom, forward. Forward with economic freedom, forward. Bambiri nga President Mugabe, Bambiri. Ayeye President Mugabe, ayeye. Tata Ncamalala, tata. Tata Ndiyema, tata. Ina Malahleni region kina. Long live the undying spirit of President Mugabe, long live. Mandla. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We've been welcomed. Thank you very much, comrades from the region.